Maya, you got the hickey-uppy? You got the hickey-uppy? I got the hiccups. Who's that?
Kara.
Kara who? Kara who?
Caribbean.
Caribbean? Who named you?
What?
Who gave you that name?
Mommy and Daddy.
Oh, Mommy and Daddy pretty crazy, huh? Who's got the hiccups?
She got multiple.
Real bad.
I know one time I saw her did that. I'm gonna take my slicer off.
Maya! Maya! Who's got the hiccups? She can't stop. What do babies do when they got the hiccups? Hmm? What are babies supposed to do when they get the hiccups?
I don't know. What do you think?
Well, they can't eat a spoonful of sugar. They don't know how to hold their breath.
Like this.
I don't think they know how to stand on their head.
This is how to do. Like, this is how the big girls do. Hold it for 20 minutes like this. 20 seconds.
Okay, ready? Show us. Peanut butter all over.